Good morning, grade 2. Good morning, teacher Petch.
Okay. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. Okay, so we have to do the recording of our lesson today because of some meeting in the school. So we have to make this so you will not be late with our topic. Okay, please get your book now and open turn page 27.
Okay.
Page 27. Ready? Please show your books. Show your books. Okay, the page 27. Okay.
Okay.
And it says, what? We have word problems. Okay. We're going to solve word problems about time and days. Okay. So what the first, remember, underline the numbers and the question. Numbers, question. Those are the very important things in solving word problems. Are you ready, teacher? Maybe I forget to underline. Please remind me.
Okay.
Okay. So the first problem is the boat started from the pier. Pier is like airport for the boats. Okay.
Okay.
At 9:30. Okay. After 3 hours, okay, 3 hours and a half had passed, the boat returned to the same pier. What time did the boat arrive at pier? Okay. So teacher D underline 9:30, 3 hours and a half. And the question is, what time did the boat arrive at pier? Okay, so let us try to write the important things here. Okay, so the boat, wow, this is hard. Okay, started. Oh, it started from the pier. What time? What time is that? It's 9:30.
Yes, 9:30, everyone.
9:30. Okay. So, and then after, it says after how many hours? Oh, 3 hours and a half. And a half. Pass. Okay. Sorry. Okay, so what is 3 hours and a half? If you're going to compute it, remember, 1 hour is equals to 60 what? 60 years? 60,
No.
60 minutes. Okay.
Yes.
So we will write here 3 hours. Okay. 3 hours and a half. What is half of 1 hour? That is 30 minutes. Okay.
Yes.
3 hours, 30 minutes. Okay. Please write this. Okay. This is how you compute it. Okay. So the boat returned to the same pier. Okay. So how are we going to solve it? The question is, what time did the boat arrive at pier? Okay. Okay, so think, try to think. I'll give you 1 minute, then try to think, how are we going to solve this?
Okay, teacher, can I tell a little about pier?
Yes,
Okay,
please.
in Thai it means ท่าเรือลูก Okay, do you understand, right? Okay, think about it.
Try to think. Okay, teacher D will make like this is how I know the easiest part that we can solve this. Okay, listen carefully and eyes on your PowerPoint on your screen so it will be easy for you. So we have 9 hours. So we put 9 hours is equals to how many minutes is that? I'm sorry, 9 hours is the first, and then we have the 30 minutes. I cannot write the abbreviation. Okay. And 30 minutes. And then we will add how many hours? 3 hours and another 30 minutes. This is how we are going to solve it. Sorry, I'm so slow in typing. So 9 plus 3, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So 12 hours. Then 30 plus 30. Very easy. 0, 3 plus 3, 6. So 60 minutes. Okay. And 60 minutes, remember, is equal to what? 1 hour. Oh, right. So we make it 1 hour because it's already 60 minutes. We cannot say 60 minutes. You just simply say 1 hour. Okay. So we add this 1 hour to the 12 hours. And what will happen? 12 hours plus 1 hour. How many hours now?
Yes, 13 hours.
Okay, 13 hours. Okay. It's hard, I know, because when I was a kid, teacher, this problem with math is solving word problems. Okay, if I can just see the numbers, I can solve it. But when reading and trying to analyze and finding how, but when you finally understand, it is very easy. Okay, so what is the proper way to answer it? Okay, so 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Therefore, the boat arrived at the pier. Okay, the boat arrived. Okay, past tense with ed, arrive at the pier 13 o'clock. Why? Just count the clock. I don't have an example of the clock. Hang on, guys. I have a clock here. Sorry. For you to easily understand. Wait.
เด็กๆลูกโอเคข้อนี้สงสัยใช่ไหมว่าเพราะอะไรไม่รู้เด็กๆดูจากโจทย์บอกว่าท่าเรือเนี้ยลูกเริ่มออกจากท่าเรือในเวลา 9 โมงครึ่งใช่ไหมคะหลังจากนั้น3 ชั่วโมงครึ่งผ่านไปแล้วเรือจะกลับมาที่ท่าอีกครั้งหนึ่งเขาก็เลยถามว่าเวลาอะไรที่เรือจะกลับมาเทียบท่าจากโจทย์ข้อนี้ลูกเขาก็ใช้การบวกเข้ามาช่วยโอเคเด็กๆดูจากที่ทีเชอร์ดีเขียนโอเค 9 hours 3 minutes and 3 hours sorry 9 hours 30 minutes and 3 hours 30 minutes โอเคเมื่อบวกกันลูกจับชั่วโมงบวกชั่วโมงนาทีบวกนาทีเนาะเราจะได้เท่ากับเท่าไหร่ลูก12 hours 60 minutes เด็กๆเห็น 60 minutes ใช่ไหมลูก เราเรียนกันไปแล้วว่า 60 minutes equal 1 hour right โอเค เมื่อมันเท่ากับ1 ชั่วโมงลูก เราปัดขึ้นได้เลย ปัดจากนาทีตรงนี้เป็นเป็นบวกกับอีก12ไปเลยใช่ไหมลูก12บวก1เป็น13โอเคก็เท่ากับ13โอเค do you understand right so เด็กๆก็จะได้คำตอบลูกว่าเรือมาเทียบท่าในเวลา yes 13 o'clock right yeah or 1 o'clock is good too okay Teacher D
Okay. So now, for easy, this is what I'm showing you about the word problem is how you solve it, compute it. But for me, it's easier to just look at the clock. No more computation. Just look at the clock and then count. Okay. It says 9:30. So it's 9 hours, 30 minutes. Example. Hang on, I cannot move the clock. Okay, so the shorthand should be at 9 o'clock, right? 9, okay. And the longhand in 30 minutes. And which is 30 minutes? It's the number 6. Okay, number 6. Number 6 is the 30 minutes. That's half. Okay. So shorthand 9, longhand 6. This is the time. Okay. The time is 9:30. Can you see that? Okay. So 9:30. And it says 3 hours, 30 minutes. Okay, before it came back to the pier. So we just count 9, 3 hours, 10, that's 1 hour, 11, that's 1 hour, 12, that is 3 hours. Okay, and a half, 30 minutes. So it arrived, what time? After 3 hours and 30 minutes. So we put it 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, we put the shorthand in, okay, number 12. Okay, and longhand, 30 minutes, number 6. Okay, so that's it. So what are we going to do? Let's just count from 9:30 to 12:30. 9, 10, 11, 12. How many hours? 1, 2, 3, plus the 30 minutes. Half. Okay. Am I right? Am I right? Okay, so we already have the 3 hours, but we have 30 minutes. 30 plus 30, 60 minutes. Okay, and 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour. So we add another 1 hour. From 12, another 1 hour to 1. So we have, what time it will arrive? 1 o'clock or 13 o'clock. Okay, teacher D, it's so confusing. We don't understand. Okay, just count the clock every hour. And then the minute, you just add the minute. Okay, so 9 o'clock, 9:30, it will go 10:30, 1 hour. 11:30, 1 hour again. So 2. 12:30, 3 hours. Plus the 30:30. Okay? Do you understand? So you just add 1 hour. Okay, so it will arrive 13 o'clock or 1 o'clock. Okay, so it's still confusing. I know, I understand. So that's why we're going to number 2. So maybe this time it will be much easier. Let's try, okay? Let's try number 2. Okay, in number 2, let's try. So I will read it and let me know if I need to underline any important details, okay? A bank opens at 8:30. Open 8:30. So maybe while we are reading, we should also writing. Okay, bank open 8:30. And then closes, bank close, what time? 15:30 or
Very good.
3:30. Am I right? Yes. Okay. And then in this part, the question now here is, don't forget to underline the numbers. How many hours does the bank open? How many was it open the whole day? From 8:30 up to 3:30 or 15:30. How many hours? When you look at the clock, 8:30, 9:30, 10:30, 11:30, 12:30,
Yes.
1:30, 2:30, 3:30. So how many hours was that? 7 hours. Okay. Teacher, how did you get that? I just count the clock. But for you to solve it, you have to like write this, please. 15:30 minus or subtract 8:30.
Yeah.
And what will be the answer? How do we solve this? Remember our addition, subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. Okay. So 0, 0. 15 minus 8. 5 minus 8 cannot be. So just use the 15. 15 minus 8 equals 7. Okay. So 7 hours. Okay, I should. 7 hours. So how will you answer this properly? Okay, the sentence will be, the bank open what? How many hours? 7 hours.
Yeah.
I thought I was typing it. Sorry. Okay, the bank open 7 hours. Yes. So that is the proper way to answer it. Okay. I think when using subtraction in solving word problem with time, subtraction is easier. I just think. Okay, so please copy. If you're not yet done, you can post the video. Okay, post it. Okay, and then teacher, please explain a little bit in Thai.
โอเคลูกเด็กๆดูโจทย์ข้อนี้นะลูกที่เชื่อเขาสอนวิธีหนูการคิด2แบบใช่ไหมลูกดูจากโจทย์ก่อน The bank opens at 8:30 right โอเคเปิดตอนกี่โมงลูกโอเค8:30 very good and close at 15:30 คราวนี้จากคำถามเขาถามหนูว่า how many hours does the bank open ก็คืออะไรลูกโอเคธนาคารธนาคารเปิดใช้เวลาเปิดเนี่ยตั้งแต่กี่โมงใช้เวลาเปิดทั้งหมดเนี่ยทั้งวันเนี่ยกี่โมงเนาะคราวนี้มาดูวิธีการทำลูกเมื่อเรารู้อยู่แล้วว่าธนาคารเปิดและปิดตอนกี่โมงใช่ไหมลูกวิธีการที่ทีเชอร์สอนมี2แบบ number one count hour right let's start from 8:30 ก็คือการนับลูกนับตั้งแต่8 โมงครึ่งจนกระทั่งถึง3 โมงครึ่งโอเคโอเค use the clock โอเค and count it โอเคเมื่อ8 โมงครึ่งลูกถึง9 โมงครึ่ง1 ชั่วโมงนับไปเรื่อยๆจนถึง3 โมงครึ่งเราจะรู้ว่ากี่ชั่วโมงเนาะที่ธนาคารเปิดกับอีก1 วิธีเอาจำนวนลูกเอาจำนวนเวลามา minus โอเค do you know minus right โอเคนำมาลบกันลูกนำจำนวนเวลาโอเคตั้งมากกว่าลบน้อยกว่าโอเคเราจะได้คำตอบเท่ากันเลยคือเท่าไหร่ลูก 7 hours โอเค do you understand right okay very good
Okay, we move to our last example, page 28. Okay.
Okay.
Peter left home for the floating market in Samut Sakorn at 5 o'clock and returned home at 14:30 or 2:30. Okay. How long did Peter spend at the floating market? Okay. So what are the important things that we need to write it down? Peter left home. Okay. Peter. Oh, capital letter when you're writing any names. Peter left home for floating market. What time? 5 o'clock. Okay. And then, what time did he return? Peter returned home. Please copy while I'm typing it. Peter returned home. What time? 14:30 or what? 2? Okay, we should use the 14:30. 14:30. Okay. Therefore, how many hours did he spend? Did he stay at the floating market? Yes. What should we use? Addition or subtraction? Plus or minus? Correct. It is minus. Okay. Minus. We will use minus. Okay. So first is the big number, 14:30. Minus 5 o'clock. Okay, please write, please write. Okay. Remember, we have here 30 minutes. Okay, so what will be our answer? So we have here 30 minus 0, or 0 minus 0 is 0. 3 minus 0, that's 3. 4 plus 5, 9. And then, oh, I'm so sorry. It's not 4 plus 5. It is what? Minus. I just told earlier it's minus. Okay, so 4 minus 5 cannot. So we will use the 14. 14 minus 5. How many? Is it 7, 8, 9? 14 minus 5 is 9. Okay, it's already there. Teacher D already wrote it. So 9 hours, 30 minutes. And how, teacher, how can we answer that properly in like proper answer? Therefore, Peter spent at the floating market. So write capital Peter spent at the floating market. Nine hours and how many minutes again? 30 minutes. Okay, so it's minus. Okay. Again, I will repeat this part for clarification. Okay. 14:30 minus or subtract 5 o'clock. Okay, so 0, 0, 0 minus 0 is 0. 3 minus 0 is 3. 4 minus 5 cannot be. So we will use the 14. 14 minus 5, 9. And we got 9:30. Now, looking at the clock, from 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. 5. And it says 14:30 or 2:30. 5, 6. How many now? I only have one hand. Teacher, please count. 5, 6, 1 hour.
Yeah.
Okay, so keep counting. 5, 6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10. That's 5 hours already. 11, 6 hours. 12, 7 hours. 1 o'clock, 8 hours.
hour.
2 o'clock, 9 hours.
Hour.
Okay,
Yeah.
teacher D, we have the 30 minutes. So 2:30. So 9 hours and 30 minutes. Okay, are we clear? I know it's still confusing, but where next week, Monday, we will still discuss this because when it comes to word problems, Teacher D would rather discuss it live. So I know that you understand when we keep asking you, you can follow. Okay? But though it's hard, me and Teacher Petch are trying to do it. Okay? So I hope this is just like a practice. Okay. Teacher, would you like to explain a little? Or...
Yes, okay. Teacher will explain a little in Thai. Okay, everyone, look at the choice, okay? Underline the floating market. Okay, the floating market is mean ตลาดน้ำลูก Okay, do you see this picture right? Okay ครูพูดนิดนึงนะลูกเป็นไทย Peter left home ก็คือปีเตอร์ออกจากบ้านเนาะไปไหนลูก The floating market in สมุทรสาครโอเคเขาออกเดินทางตั้งแต่เวลา 5 o'clock right แล้วเขาบอกอยู่ว่าลูกบอกว่าอะไรนะ and return home ก็คือกลับมาบ้านลูกในเวลาเท่าไหร่ลูกโอเค 14:30 คราวนี้ไม่ต้องการจะรู้ลูกว่าเขาใช้เวลาเขาถามโจทย์ต้องการจะรู้ว่า how long did Peter spend at the floating market right ต้องการรู้เวลาว่าปีเตอร์เนี่ยใช้เวลาอยู่ในตลาดน้ำนานแค่ไหนคล้ายๆกับโจทย์ธนาคารเมื่อกี้เลยเราก็เอาจำนวนลูกจำนวนตัวเลขที่มากกว่ามาลบจำนวนที่น้อยกว่าก็จะได้คำตอบ 9 30 minutes. Okay. Okay, 9 hours and 30 minutes. โอเค หรือจะใช้วิธีการอีกวิธีหนึ่งก็คือ count number. Okay, on the clock. Okay, do you understand, right? โอเค เดี๋ยวครูจะถามอีกทีนึงนะลูกวันจันทร์ on Monday. Okay, teacher will ask you again. Thank you. It's okay.
Alright. Okay, we move. Okay, for your homework. Okay, don't worry, teacher D will not give homework for word problems because I know it's still confusing. But
Okay.
there we have here page 29, skill advancement activity. In number 1, write the answer in each gap. This is very easy. This is all about clock. And I know you guys already know how to read the clock. Okay, number 1 question, just for example, there are blank numbers marks on the face of the clock with numbers from blank to blank. Okay, look at the clock. Look at the clock. Look at the clock. Okay. There are how many numbers that you can see? 12 is the highest. So you write the answer here. 12.
12.
Okay. And it says numbers start from one number. The number starts from?
Yes.
1.
1.
2. Correct.
Very good.
12. Okay, so that is example. I will still give you one more example. From a number mark to the next number mark, there are blank division. Okay? Can you see from 12 to 1? There are small lines. Okay, small lines. We teach you this. How many lines? How many minutes between? Okay. Oops, oops, oops. Okay, I will have it closely. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops. Okay, no, no, no. Check your clock. Okay, but the answer here is correct. That is 5 lines or 5 division. Okay, so kindly complete from 3 to 10.
Okay.
Okay, this is homework. And for the second part, write the time of each clock. This is very easy. You can read the time already. Okay, just write it in digital form. Okay.
Okay, teacher, can you give an example about part 2?
How do I need to give example? This is very easy. First part, number 1.
Okay.
You have to put, by the way, you have to put, if it is daytime, okay, or nighttime, okay. You can put the whole word of daytime and nighttime, but it's okay if you just put DT or NT. Okay. During the daytime, it is what time?
5.
It's hard to write. 5 o'clock, daytime, PM.
Yes.
Okay. And nighttime, this is when you have to wake up very, very early. Yes, exactly. 5 a.m. 5 o'clock a.m. Okay, please write nighttime, daytime, okay, PM or AM. Okay, so we good with this? Proceed to page 30. Let us check page 30. Okay, you just continue the nighttime and the daytime. And then match the clock with the time. Very easy, teacher. We are just going to match it. Okay, hang on.
Okay.
Okay, how to do this? How to do this? You just put the arrow or just connect it. Example. Arrow. Letter A. Look at letter A. 11:55 a.m. Okay, let's find the clock. of 11:55 a.m. Is it letter B? No. Is it letter E? No, that is 6 o'clock, 7. Okay. Oh, I think it's letter G. Look,
Wow. Yes.
longhand, 55. Remember, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Okay. 55. Okay. And the shorthand, you can notice the shorthand is nearly 12. Okay. So it is A to G. Okay. And yet you just continue answering this, the rest of the letters. Okay? Cool? Cool. Yes. So I hope you understand something today, but we will still discuss word problem. All right. So have a good day, Teacher Petch.
Yes โอเคเด็กๆลูกสรุปการบ้านวันนี้มีหน้าไหนบ้างคะ page 29 and page 30
30.
okay take photo two page 29 and page 30 okay do you understand right โอเคข้อแรกลูกข้อแรกให้อ่านจากโจทย์เนาะที่มีมาให้โอเคข้อหนึ่งใหญ่แล้วก็ตอบคำถามข้อสองลูกให้เขียนเวลาโดยระบุ daytime night time นะลูกในเวลาที่หน้าปัดนาฬิกากำหนดแล้วก็ข้อ3ลูกให้จับคู่ดูตัวอย่าง A and G ใช่ไหมลูกจับคู่เวลาดิจิตอลกับเวลาตรงหน้าปัดนาฬิกาโดยเขียนสัญลักษณ์อย่างนี้ตรงกลางโอเค Do you understand right Okay if you have any question ask teacher online okay on our group teacher will answer it okay
All right, so see you later for occupation, guys. Enjoy
Yes.
your morning and eat healthy for lunch. See you.
Okay
later.
see you bye bye